This is Alicia with the Desert Wind, and continuing our how-to knitting. We're actually going to get to knitting today. So I've already cast on. I've done a couple of rows here. I've got a nice number of stitches here. Now, knitting, you put your needle from the front, going backwards through the hoop, or through the stitch here. You loop the yarn around. Now, this is where it gets a little difficult until you get used to it. Use your own finger if you need to help hold keeping it onto the needle. You want to keep it around the needle as you pull it through. So you've got a stitch there. And then you let that stitch fall off of your left hand needle. So, we're going to do it again. Go through, loop around, hold it in place. Now, the easiest way to do this is by keeping constant contact between your two needles. Goes through the hole, around, and I keep this needle touching this needle at all times. And then I let it fall off. And there you go. Now it's all on your right hand needle and you're one row closer to being done. That's what your knits look like. That is your knit side. Now the nice thing about knits is that the opposite, the purling, look like that. It's kind of the bumpy side are purls and the smooth pretty side is the knits.